Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create and build reports in your account on Smartsheet, for example, to track the progress of your specific project sheets and to compare them within the report, for example, like when they have been created, modified, and so on and so forth. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Smartsheet account, and what you need to do, guys, is click into that create or plus create button to the left to start a new project. Or in this case here, a report. You will find it here under your workspace starting point next to table. So click into report or into that arrow down icon and select your report type, like row report, for example, to show report of specific rows and data from these rows. Or you may compare various project sheets, for example, through a sheet summary report. And so let me go for a sheet summary report, and after that your report will be created. And what you want to do, guys, is select a workspace item here, for example. So let me go with this one here, with this untitled report. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to add your data source, which in this case here may be, as previously mentioned, sheets within your workspace, or from another workspace. As you can see, you can navigate to the given workspace. Let me go with this one here selected. Or you may expand the given workspace and compare or include within your report, for example, various sheets. So let me compare these two here, my project and untitled sheet, or you can report or include all three of them. So let me select all three. You may also select sheets from other workspaces. As you can see, simply select the given project sheet from your workspace if you'd like to cross reference or cross compare them, for example, sheets from different workspaces. So once you have made your selection, click into next here. And last but not least, guys, add various fields like created by, modified by. Let me go with all four for the sake of this tutorial. Click into next. And last but not least, select also a field or a condition here. For example, click into select field here and select one of these conditions like created, and after that an action here or addition to the condition like is I don't know, one of these is blank, and that's basically it. Click into apply to apply the given condition, and that is going to create your report. As you can see now, none of these sheets are listed here because I applied a filter with a blank condition. So you will need to go with a condition that applies to at least one of your sheets. So let me go, for example, if created is not blank, for example, let us go with this one here, and that is going to list your sheets within your report. As you can see, you can click into the given sheet name to access it. You will see the fields here like created by, modified by, and yeah, you may add, of course, or customize these columns anytime and these filters here at the top. And that way, yeah, try different setups for your report to compare your sheets. And that's how it works, guys. That's how you create a report on Smartsheet. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.